Hi, Snuggles. Snuggles. Hello, little Joe Friday. Hello, boys. Hello, boys. Hello, boys. Look at all your toys. Look what you did to your room, boys. What are you boys doing, huh? What are you little boys doing? What is this little boys doing? Snuggles. Hey, Snuggles. 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 Who's that boy? Snuggles. Hi. You want to play with this toy? Go get it. Go get your little toy. There's my little boy. There's my little Snuggles, and there's little Joe Friday. Oh, he's so cute. They're little sweet boys. Yeah. Yeah, they made a little mess. Here, come on, Snuggles. Come on, Snuggles. Come on, boys. You two little boys are so fluffy. You're so fluffy. Yes, you're so fluffy. Well, you're much older than him, but he's pretty fluffy for being a young boy. Yes. Bye, boys. Boys, what are you doing, boys? What are you doing? What are you boys doing? What are you little boys doing, huh? Do you want to play with this dolly? You want to play with this dolly? Go get the dolly. Go get the dolly. Come here, little Snuggles. Hello, hello, little buddy. Oh, they're such pretty little boys. They're such pretty little boys. Bye.